Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about Ansible Variable Presidency. Let's see why do we need this Ansible Variable Presidency concept, right? Because the Ansible has a variety of method to assign or define a variables. Right? The variable can be assigned multiple places in the Ansible project. If the developer assign variables in the multiple project, Ansible can't use or in the position to use multiple values for the same variables. It can use only one variable, the values, while the playbook being executed. Like in our life, we might have come across the situation like whether you want to choose the college or job, right? So you might have had multiple options in front of you, but you should have chosen the only one option, right? That based on your personal opinion or other might have forcefully put you to choose that value. But the Ansible needs certain rules to choose the which variable value need to be used when the playbook being executed. So, so this is done using the rules of variable presidency. These rules determine the variable based on the following order from the least to most preferred variables. Let's see what is the least one and what is next and what is next and what is the most preferred values. Okay. So default one in the sense Ansible configuration files or the default value which come from the role's default location. So those are the very least preferred variables. And the group one. The group is nothing but it comes from the inventory files. The inventory you can assign a variable for the group host groups, right? And next one is list is the host variables. The same inventory file, the variable can be assigned for the host level as well. And if the same variable assigned to host and group, right? The playbook will take the host level variables, not group level variables. And then same like a playbook and roles and extra variables. The extra variable is the most preferred one while you passing the variables. So it will override all other places and this value will be taken. So extra variable can be used with a hyphen switch or when you run the playbook. So let's see some practical, so we'll get to understand very clearly. So I have a small playbook where I can call a role and I assign a play level variable, right? So this playbook going to print the variable of username, right? So let's go and execute this playbook and see what is going. Okay, I'm going to run the playbook here. Okay, I got the output Ansible role was. Right. So my playbook does not have anything. It called from the Ansible variable roles. I can show you what is there. So my was folder has this role and that is being printed out when the playbook being executed. Okay, I'll open my playbook again. I'm going to disable the roles and I'm going back. Playbook. This playbook called the roles and it has the play level variables. So as per the presidency rules, so the roles is the most preferred one, then a play level variable, then host level, right? So that's why we got the role level output. What if I disable the roles and see? Okay, I disable the roles. Going to execute again. Now we got output var Ansible. Because the var Ansible is play is the most preferred than host and group level. Right? Play is the most preferred than host and group level. So that's why I called the play level variable printed. Let's see what I have in my inventory. So inventory, I have a host which has the host level variable. Also, I have a group level variables. Right. I'm going to disable my play level variable, and then I'm going to execute this playbook again. So this time I got the different output which gathered from the Ansible host level, meaning from the inventory. This time I got the output from the inventory variable. What if I disable host level variable? Okay, I disable host variable. So it's going to taken from the group level. The last one I can like to show you. So the hyphen is the most preferred one, which is extra variables. So I am passing username Ansible extra. So this time this Ansible extra has to be printed because this one, the hyphen e, is the most preferred one. So we have seen role level variables and play level variables, and inventories level, which is host level, and group level variables, how it reacted. Right. So the most preferred one is the extra variables. So that's going to be overwrite all other variable assigned in different level. Hope you got understand. So how Ansible variable precedences work and which variable will be used when you have the variable on multiple plays. That's all I have in this video. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet again with different topics. Thanks again. Bye. See you.